Guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng cafe na nababagay sa panlasa nyo as a ultimate coffee lover? And what surprised me for the first time is that akala ko milk tea lang yung may mga level. In this cafe ay meron ding level of intensity dito na pwede mong pagpilian at sa tingin mong nababagay sa panlasa mo. And I cannot. This place totally screams for modernity and comfortable. So ito na nga, ipapakilala ko na sa inyo si Assemblr Cafe na matatagpuan sa Imelda Roces, Washington, Legazpi, Albay. While observing the place, napaka-fully furnished ng place, guys. Like as in, all you have to do is sit and just enjoy what you order and enjoy the view. And you can even take an Instagram post na pwedeng-pwede nyong i-post sa inyong social media. At kung gusto niyo naman ng fresh air, kung hindi niyo feel naman mag-aircon, ay may outdoor area sila kung saan pwede ka rin mag-enjoy. At guys, kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa picture, gayang-gaya din yung pagkakapresent nila in actual. Kaya hindi ka talaga madi-disappoint. As also you can see, ang price range nila ay nagsisimula around 140 pesos to 280 pesos. Guys, napaka-justifying din naman talaga ng price nila. Alam kung bakit. Is that because yung pricing nila ay tinutugma rin nila sa quality ng sinaserve nila. Like yung coffee nila is very freshly made on the house.
Of moments fleeting of what might have been, strings like whispers.
And of course, kompletuhin mo na yung order mo with their delicious pastries na siya namang nakakalaway din talaga sa sobrang sarap as I actually look at it. And guys, here's a little secret. Hindi talaga ako coffee lover, kaya nang pagpunta ko rin talaga dito ay napasabak ako sa kanilang coffee. And I must say, I totally love their coffee. Ang sarap niya and naubos ko rin yung binigay nila sa akin na drinks na ang sarap niya. And guys, hindi siya ganun katapang ha. Probably talagang pagpipilian nyo rin talaga or pagdedesisyonan yung intensity ng coffee nyo para tumugma din sa talagang panlasa nyo. And somewhat, yung nai-serve talaga sa akin is very suitable to my taste. And when it comes to pastry na tinerno sa aking drinks, ay natikman ko naman yung kanilang s'mores. Take note guys, that s'mores actually contains melted marshmallow chocolate, which is, I'm having Hershey's chocolate sa pastry na to, which is my favorite, yum yum. As I actually eat the pastry, ay napansin ko ay ang hirap niyang i-prick sa aking fork kahit inofera na ako ng knife to have a good portion na kakainin ko muna ng paunti-unti. And I've realized na I do recommend it at the same time na kainin siya na hinahawakan talaga using your hands.
Akala ko yung coffee yung sorry na.
And so far, nakikita niyo naman ang ngiti sa aking mga mukha na na-enjoy ko pa rin yung food and also the drinks that I have in Assemblr Cafe. Kaya naman, if you have a friendly date or lover's date, ay hilahin nyo na dito sa Assemblr Cafe. And you can also visit their Facebook page for more inquiries. Once again, this is Serene from Travel to Bicol signing off.
Ready to embark on your next journey?